We're going to cut this piece of flat bar off using a hacksaw. If you're putting a piece of material into a vise and you're worried about marking because the jaws of these vices are quite rough, use these as little pieces of aluminium. And what you do is you sit one in there and one in there, so that when you put your job in there and do it up, it doesn't mark your job, it actually marks the jaw guards. Okay, there's my mark there. Obviously it's been blued in so that we can actually see the mark. We want to keep this part of the material here, so we actually cut on that side of the line. So a little mark like that means waste. Sit it in your vise, make sure it's level that way. Okay, so your job's ready to use the hacksaw. Okay, this is a hacksaw. It's got a handle there and there. There's a blade there. Okay, with hacksaws you can change the blades, so there's coarse blades and fine blades. Just depends on what material you're going to do. Obviously if it's a really hard material you might have a different blade to if it's a softer material. Okay, to hold a hacksaw, it's a pistol grip, like so. Yep, then you grab the other end like that, you just pinch it. Okay. My job's clamped in the vise so that it doesn't move. I'm going to start my cut. Wear my glasses.
Usually you put a little bit of an angle on it.
And so forth. And you start your cut. Okay, I've got one eye there and one eye there. That helps me cut straight. Usually you put a little bit of an angle on it. When you're cutting, what you try to do is use the full length of the blade. You don't do little short strokes. It's a nice full stroke. And it shouldn't be a huge amount of force. If the blade's sharp, it should be a nice even flow as you go through. Okay, I'm just going to stop here and show you how I've been cutting. As you can see, I've been following the line because I use the correct technique of putting one eye on one side of the blade and the other eye on the other side of the blade.